Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 8 lesson 5 app development exercise. Fill in the blanks. Question first, dash combine features both on web apps and native apps. You feel hybrid app. Here are the hints. Two hints you can fill in the blanks. And first you feel hybrid app. Hybrid app combine features both web apps and native apps. Question number 2. The abbreviation of the word application is. The abbreviation of the word application is app. You feel app. App full form application. Question number 3. Before installing an app on our device, the manufacturer of the app will ask for certain permission. Before installing an app on our device, the manufacturer of the apps will ask for the certain permission. It means when you install any app on Google Play Store, when you click the install options, then manufacturer asks permission. Yes, you want to install, then you click OK, yes, then your app install in your device. So you feel permission. Question number 4. The Facebook app is an example of dash app. The Facebook app is an example of social networking. Here social networking option, you feel social networking. So, Facebook app is an example of social networking apps. Question number 5. E-commerce app that was founded by Sachin Bansal and Beanie Bansal. E-commerce app that was founded by Sachin Bansal and Beanie Bansal is called Flipkart. Flipkart is an e-commerce app and founder of e-commerce Sachin Bansal and Beanie Bansal. Flipkart. Question number 6. Dash app do not need web access and run independently on a computer. It's called desktop. Desktop app do not need web access. Means some type of apps in your mobile where you open and do not need internet. Just like dictionary, you access offline. Offline apps is called desktop app. So you feel desktop. Question number 7. We can pay utility bills using the dash app. You can pay utility bills using banking app. Through banking app you can pay your bill, even you online shopping. So you can use banking app for paying bills या online shopping. Next one, the state true or false. Question number first. Google Map is an e-commerce website. Google Map is an e-commerce website. This statement is false because Google Map is not an e-commerce website. Question number 2. SDK stands for Software Design Kits. This statement, SDK full form Software Design Kits, this statement is false because SDK full form Software Development Kit. So here write a design, so this statement is false. Question number 3. Hungama Music app brings your favorite tunes right to your device. This statement is true because Hungama Music apps is a music app where you want to download any type of music and also use your favorite tunes as your ringtone or caller tune of your device. So this statement is used. Statement is true. Question number 4. Mobile apps can be preloaded on the smartphone or tablet. Mobile app can be preloaded on smartphone or tablet. This statement is true. Because when you purchase a new phone or new tablet, some mobile apps already installed in your device, in your tablet, in your mobile. So this statement is true. Question number 5. For the latest information on the global and Indian market, install SBI Buddy on your mobile device. This statement is false. Only those person install SBI Buddy who is a customer of SBI bank. So those particular customers install SBI BuddyNet to access your account. So here write, for the latest information on the global and Indian market, install SBI BuddyNet on your mobile device. So this is not a company for all. So this statement is false. Only those customers who are the customer of any SBI bank. So those customers install SBI Buddy for access internet. Question C, application based question. Question first, Sneha and her parents are planning to go for a movie. She want to book the ticket online. Which apps she can make use of to do the same? Means here question, Sneha and her parents planning to go for a movie and she want to book the ticket online. So how can perform this task? So which app used to make perform this task? So Sneha use Book My Show app. Book My Show app is a online book the ticket. So you use Book My Show app to online book your ticket for movie. Question number 2. Mannat had a school trip last month where she clicked various photos. Now she wants to share these photographs with her friends. Which app she can use for it? The question, Mannat had a school trip last month where she clicked various photographs and she wants to share these photographs with her friends. To which type of app use? Answer is Mannat can use WhatsApp app. Through WhatsApp app, Mannat send all photographs related to the school trip in your friend group and each and every friend see. So Mannat can use WhatsApp app for share your photo. Next one, multiple choice question. Reddit in a social networking site which is also called a dash app. Option, news aggregation, banking, video sharing. The correct option A, news aggregator. Reddit is a social networking site which is also called news aggregator. Through this you can create a news. Question number 2. Dash is an app which lets you behind your own apps. Option is Flipkart, Facebook, app. Correct option is C, Appify. Means Appify is an app which lets you build your own apps. Means through this app, Appify apps, you can build your own app. Question number 3. Some apps builders let you build your own apps through the knowledge of OS operating system, B programming language, C both of these. The correct option is both of these. Without the knowledge of programming in operating system, you can easy way to create one app through the app builders. The correct option C both of these. Question number 4. Hotstar is an dash app to watch movie, catch up on your TV serial or sports? Option is A. Education, B. Entertainment, C. Network, social networking. Correct option B. Entertainment. Hotstar is an entertainment app to watch a movie, catch up your TV serial या sports. Question number 5. Buying या selling goods या services using electronic means is known as. Option money control, option B finance, option C e-commerce. Correct option C e-commerce. Buying या selling goods या services using electronic means is known as e-commerce. Hopefully each and every student understands all contents means multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, true, false, and application based question. Each and every student write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call my number 8840156170. Thank you.